Hey, happy Friday. It is. I actually sent out a mail to some folks in the community here, but for the AI tinkers thinking about this, basically I was building a prompt arena. And so I started that, and then basically what I said is improve the prompt arena with some thinking about some of the top sites. I'll just kind of take it. So basically, show me the top sites uh, where prompts are authoritative, and I think, by the way, that's pretty good. I'm not sure about Poe, but I think Poe is certainly Hugging Face, LLM Arena, Prompt Perfect, Google, Claude, and of course OpenAI. Then I said, go look at the top YouTubers. This has been very interesting. These are some folks I've followed before, but some that I haven't, and I did a couple of different searches. Then show me the guides for best practices, which is nice because I don't know about you, but over the last few months, we've had a lot of conversations about which principles you need to do, which you don't need to do. Um, and so here's some principles, and thanks, Walter. It was a good conversation yesterday on this topic. Um, so pretty interesting stuff. Even just this I found useful. And then I actually took the prompt to write the app in Perplexity Pro using the lab model. And I said, run the prompt. And so it showed me um, how many tokens, what was the latency, what was the cost, which I actually really like. And also it said, here's some other things that you can do that probably would be good. So generate the optimized prompt. And it says, here's all of the things that it would recommend that I do for an optimized prompt. I've got a little bit of a problem with the actual scrolling here to see down here. I need to work on the app a little bit. Um, so what was the best performer? The best performer was ChatGPT. Um, and I'm going to go ahead and relaunch the app here. Not that one. I have a later one. This one. And, so it's an interesting idea. Then you can build a library of comparisons and rankings. You can decide what your rankings are, right? And then I've got a list of prompts that you can save. So live results, things that you can do. You can copy this and use it. So what I'm finding is a lot of my time is spent on prompting unnecessarily, I think. And I'd like to build actually kind of an OS level set of prompts. Think of the Cloud Mary prompt. And just to give you an example of the Cloud Mary prompt, if I go down to my downloads here and find my Cloud Mary prompt, which is down here a bit here, I think. Coding benchmarks, I can remember here. Yeah, so if I look at the Cloud Mary, the AI Complete, or the AI Mega, here we go. So that was an older version of it, but it's a pretty good one to use. When I run a prompt, I go ahead and just actually, well, my prompt is way too large for this tool. But anyway, something to think about, something to play with. I've shared it out, by the way, so anyone with a link can go find it. And again, if you need it, just give me a holler, send me an email. Thanks, everybody. Have a good Friday. Look forward to seeing some of you at the meetup next week, although I think it is Thanksgiving, so for some folks, we won't probably be meeting up. So take care.